Here's a pair of the JBL Vibe Beam 2 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to connect these directly to an Amazon Fire TV or a Amazon Fire TV stick. So the first thing we want to do is make sure the earbuds in their pairing mode. Okay, so let's take both the earbuds out of the case. And then once you take it out, just wait a few seconds, and if it's blinking blue, 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 then it's in pairing mode, and that's what we want. But I get a solid blue light that mine turns off. The reason for me is because it's connected to like one of my phones near me. So I have to manually put this in a pairing mode. So what I'm going to do is just grab one of the earbuds. It doesn't matter the right or the left. What I'm going to do is a touch sensor up here. I'm going to tap and then tap and hold. Okay, if I tap and tap and hold while it's in my ear, I'll hear pairing. Okay, or if I tap and then tap and hold it for 6 or 7 seconds, or just wait till it starts blinking blue. Okay, so we'll do it this way here. Ready? Tap and then tap and hold, and just keep holding until it starts blinking blue. You want to hold it for like maybe 6 or 7 seconds. There we go. So it's blinking blue. Now the other earbud should be blinking blue as well now. Okay, so now it's in pairing mode. Now we're going to shoot over to the TV and just go to the home page. Click on the home button on your remote and just navigate to the gear icon, the settings icon, all the way to the right there. And then we're going to go down and we're going to go to controllers and Bluetooth devices right there. Let's select that. We're going to go all the way down to other Bluetooth devices. Select that. Now you can see other earbuds and headphones I've connected to this TV here, but we want to go all the way down to add Bluetooth devices. We're going to select that. Now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, which is about 30 feet Bluetooth range or so. And these are still in the pairing mode. It's blinking blue, 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 and it did find it, the JBL Vibe Beam 2. Let's go down. Let's highlight it. Let's select it. It says pairing. And voila, we are connected, ready to go. And you can see right there. Now we know that we're connected as well because it says click on the 3 lines to unpair. If I go to the ones that is not currently connected, it says press to select to connect, the ones I'm not connected to. If I go to the Vibe Beam, it says press select to disconnects. Okay. Anyway, there you go. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these earbuds. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.